Very good afternoon to one and all. Welcome back to my channel, that is WLearn. Yesterday we have seen average value and RMS value for different waveforms and the formulas which related to it, right? When we have the instantaneous values and when we have two n values, we know the formulas for that and also RMS formulas, right? So we also have seen the form factor and peak factor formulas. And so in this class today I am going to explain what is the basic definition of average and RMS values. So average value is nothing but it is the equivalent steady state value of a time varying waveform which could transfer the same amount of charge. You have to remember this charge, right, as given by the original waveform for the defined period of time. For the defined period of time means it per a cycle, for the cycle, okay, over a cycle, right, over a cycle. After the cycle, the periodic waveform means it will repeat itself. So for a cycle we define the average value. So you have to remember for the charge, right, okay. And the RMS value, it is the equivalent steady state value of a time varying waveform which could transfer the same amount of heat. Here the heat is important as given by the original waveform for the defined period of time. Here average value and RMS value are defined for a period of time, okay, for a period of time only. After the period of time the alternating quantity repeat itself. So here it is the steady state value of time varying transfer the amount of charge, and here the transferring amount of heat. It is the important. So you have to remember that like this. Here average means A is nearer to C, so average means charge, and H is nearer to R, so RMS means heat. So you may get a question on this. Average value is transferred amount of charge and RMS value means transferred amount of heat over a period of time. This is also over a period of time. So this is the main difference between a average value and RMS value. This is for any what periodic waveform we can define average and RMS values like this, okay. This is the basic thing involved in it, okay. Next we also know the analog meters or laboratory meters, okay. We have MI and also we can MC. You have to remember this point also. Analog meters means moving coil or moving iron or moving coil meters, okay. Moving iron always measure the RMS values, and this one moving coil always measures the average values, okay. You also remember like this. Moving coil and moving iron, C means A, okay. A is near to C, I is nearer to R. RMS and average. This is important point for your exams. You have to remember this point. Moving coil measures RMS or average means you have to remember I means R, C means A, okay. This is the very most important point. Okay, we'll also next see the concept of symmetry and asymmetry. Means how we can say the curves are symmetric and also how asymmetric waveforms, okay. Just I had drawn a simple curve like this with a square alternate. It is over a period, right, here to here. For positive to negative it is a period of time. It is called a period of time. After this the period wave again it repeats itself like this, okay. So right, so when you have a positive half cycle here and here's a negative half cycle. For the positive half cycle this is the area A1, and for the negative half cycle this is the area A2. When the value of A1 is equals to A2 means the magnitude of the area A1 equals to A2, then we call it as symmetric waveform. If the value of the A1 is not equals to A2, then it is called asymmetric waveform. Have you got the concept right now? Okay, when the magnitude, not this one what I am just drawing like this, mod means it is a magnitude of this value. When you have a magnitude of this value equals to magnitude of this value, then that waveform is called as a symmetric waveform. Means, okay, and when magnitude of this is not equals to this, like this, for example, like this. Okay, here a1 is a2, when a1 is not equals to a2, that is asymmetric. Okay, so when these two values are same, the average value is always equals to 0. This is the main thing. For a symmetric waveform, the average value is always equals to 0.